Smart strategies to break free from debt stress. Managing debt wisely is essential for maintaining peace of mind and building long term financial stability. With the right approach, you can take control of your loans, reduce stress, and secure your financial future. Why managing debt matters? Debt isn't inherently bad. It can help fund a home, education, or medical needs. But trouble begins when repayments exceed income, interest piles up, or multiple loans go unmanaged. Left unchecked, debt can erode savings, damage your credit score, and cause lasting anxiety. Effective debt management is about striking a balance, meeting today's needs without compromising tomorrow's security. Acting early can prevent debt from spiraling out of control. Step 1. Know what you owe. Start by listing every loan, home, personal, car, credit card, and note the outstanding balance, interest rate, and due dates. This clear picture helps you avoid missed payments, eliminate duplicate debts, and prioritize repayments. Awareness is the foundation of a solid debt strategy. Step 2. Tackle high interest debt first. Not all debt is equal. Credit cards and unsecured personal loans often carry interest rates above 30%, while mortgages and education loans are typically lower. Focus on paying off high cost debt first to prevent it from snowballing. Even small extra payments can save you significant money over time. Step 3. Consolidate or restructure when possible. If you're juggling multiple loans, consider consolidation. Combining high interest debts into a single loan with a lower rate can ease your monthly burden. Alternatively, restructuring, like extending the repayment period, can reduce EMI pressure. Though it may increase total interest, it offers breathing room during financial strain, especially after job loss or emergencies. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Health issues, job cuts, or family emergencies can push you into high interest borrowing. An emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of essential expenses acts as a financial cushion. Even small regular contributions can protect you from resorting to costly credit in tough times. Step 5. Avoid new debt while paying off old. Resist the temptation to borrow more while you're repaying existing loans. Postpone luxury purchases, vacations, and impulse buys. Every new loan delays your progress. By limiting new debt, you accelerate repayment, reduce future costs, and free up income for savings. Step 6. Seek professional help if needed. If debt becomes overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek expert guidance. Financial planners can help you create a repayment roadmap, while credit counselors may negotiate better terms with lenders. Proactively speaking to banks can open doors to restructuring options. Asking for help is a smart move, not a sign of failure. Final thought. Debt doesn't have to be a lifelong burden. With practical strategies, discipline, and timely action, you can regain control, reduce stress, and build a financially secure future. If you find our content valuable, we kindly invite you to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest videos.